Good morning. Your next assignment is still in the marketing mix, but it involves the promotion of your restaurant. How are you going to advertise your restaurant? There are three ways that you can advertise. One is by using print media, and that would be a newspaper, a coupon, a billboard, a magazine, and sometimes you'll see people hand out little flyers. That's what you're going to create for your assignment. Your assignment will be on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper or something comparable. You can also use broadcast media, but we're not going to use that for this assignment, but you do need to know broadcast media. Broadcast media is any electronic type of promotion, and that would of course be radio, TV, and anything electronic online. Specialty items are those little items that they give you that make you think about their business. A lot of times businesses give out chip clips with their address on them, or pencils, pens, items that are very small, and you tend to hang on to them, and that's called a specialty item. So the next thing we're going to look at is the print promotion has 4 items that must be included. So when you create your advertisement, you must have these 4 items. The first one is the headline. It's the big attention grabber. It's what people notice most right away. A lot of times you'll see advertisement that have those great big yellow star looking things that say 25% off, something like that, that really grabs your attention. The copy is information. This should include your hours of operation, where you are located specifically, the phone number of your restaurant, what specials you have, maybe a way to email your order in, deadlines for your specials as well. A graphic should be included in your advertisement. A picture is worth 1,000 words, is what people always say. A picture can make something look very enticing or inviting. Make sure your picture is of a good-looking product. The signature is a little item that represents your business. If you think about Nike, they have the swoosh. And so if you think back to the logos that you did yesterday, you will remember that there are several little things, and as soon as you look at them, you know what business it is. So your assignment is to create an effective advertisement that includes all 4 of the items above in the print promotion. It should be about 8.5 by 11 inches, so that's a regular sheet that can be printed on. And you can do that in Google Docs, or if you use a different computer like a desktop, you could use Word. I think it's easier in Word personally. You can also draw it freehand if you're a good artist. Submit your restaurant advertisement into Google Classroom. So I want to show you an advertisement that I did. This is an advertisement that I put together, and it includes all of the 4 items. If you take a look, Healthy Hut now open. Healthy Hut is the name of my restaurant. I try to use that all over in my advertisement so people remember the name. Now open. I'm telling people this is the big news. Now the picture or graphic you can see right there in the middle. It's that plate of shrimp cocktail. I think that if a person is a fish type person, that looks very good. Now the copy is the information. Notice that I say November 1st to the 7th, you get a free shrimp appetizer with the purchase of 2 entrees. It says it's the best shrimp in town. Look at the yellow block. Great kids meals at reasonable prices. Great food for an unbelievable price. I'm saying you're getting a value. If you look at the green box, it says too busy to cook. We have healthy meals ready for you to pick up and enjoy. So we're offering convenience as well. If you look at the little white box, it says call ahead for reservations or order an online curbside pickup at healthyhut.com. So now I've not only given them the phone number, I've also given them an email or a website to go to. Notice that I put in my address twice. I want everybody to know where I am. If they cut that coupon off, I want them to still have the ad that has my address. The Healthy Hut is located 112 Lettuce Avenue, Kokomo, Indiana. Now here's my coupon that they can have for a free appetizer. So there's a lot of copy. That is the biggest part of the ad. You wanted to get information out. So here's your free shrimp appetizer with purchase of 2 entrees and $8 value. It may be used, or you can switch it away from the shrimp if you don't like shrimp, and you can put it toward any appetizer. Again, I put on there my Healthy Hut address, because what if somebody clips the coupon off and they start driving, they go, where is it? So either way, you have my address. It says bring this coupon with you for a free appetizer. It's only valid November 1st to 8th, and then it says you can also win a prize. Now, can you spot my signature on here? I said a signature was a little thing that people would start to recognize as your business. So I'm hoping to put this little hut with the palm tree all over the place in ads, so that people see that little hut with the palm tree and they go, oh, that's the Healthy Hut. Maybe we should go over there. All right, so this is what I want to see in your type of ad. Please make your ad look good. Put enough information in, as I have shown you here, addresses, phone numbers, a website perhaps, and entice people in. So you have the 4 parts. You have the headline, you have the copy, you have the graphic or picture, and you have your little signature. Have fun creating your ad.